Good morning. We are headed to Gibbons Creek Reservoir today. It is Saturday, August 3rd, my birthday. So hoping for a little birthday magic. It's gonna be hot. They're saying it's gonna be somewhere around like 250, 300 today. So that's exciting, but I don't know, we'll make it. If not, let's get a limit early and go sit in the truck and wait for everybody else. So main thing is, this is the first trip out in the new Hobie PA14, so hope everything works. It seems like it does. It floats good in the garage, everything. So we're gonna test it out. Hope the NK300 starts up and runs. So with all that being said, I'm gonna finish getting this gas. We're gonna get out of here and I'll check up with you guys when we get there. GoPro, stop recording. There we go. On the mag draft, baby. Nothing crazy, but that's fun. Yes, sir. That'll golly. The heck? On the mag draft. Man, I thought I had me a good one. No. GoPro, stop recording. That bird is yelling at my lure. But hey, you don't do that. You don't do that over here. This is my spot. I'll be out of your way shortly. bird. Oh, I missed it. I missed him. Now I gotta catch him. There he is. Come on. He's mad. Oh my gosh. Another freaking catfish. Ooh. These things. Not the target species. No! Well, that's a big bad berry. PT. Got a big bad berry. GoPro, stop recording. Little midday update. Pretty slow for me. I got 3 on the board, 3 fish tournaments, so I got a limit, but it's a small limit. I'm gonna go back through the area where I got bit the last time, see if I left anything. If not looking good, but we're gonna keep grinding, see if we can't put some more fish in the boat. I'll let y'all know. They ain't just jumping on the hook. I'm surprised, bro. It's like they like, oh shit, people are out here again.
Caught any on this wall yet?
Yeah, I caught 3 on the mag draft. Yeah.
I would have a limit if my first fish didn't flop off.
Oh, really? Any word from Chris?
I hadn't heard from him.
Sandbagger. What an ass. He's probably sitting on the juice and not telling anybody.
Right. Meanwhile, I've got 2 fish for 30 inches.
There's a good piece of structure somewhere right where you're sitting. It's like a fish or a pipe. Or maybe a fish smoking a pipe. I don't know what I got. I got like a
Well, did you see me whiff that net job just 2 seconds ago? I was like, man, I hope I don't know who that is right there, and it was you, but I just completely missed the fish and it fell back in the water and came off like right about where you're at. And then I tried to boat flip a 16 incher probably, and that didn't work out.